Welcome back to my channel Success Engineering Official. So we will continue with this chapter 2. Actually, yesterday we have finished this units and conversion for up to this tennis. Okay, and there is some rules and some convergence nodes. So you can see here on this screen. So before start this explanation topic, I would like to request you all guys. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do subscribing and hit the bell icon as well, so that whenever I upload the video, you will get the notification of my video. Also, please like and share my video. So let us start now. As you can see here on this screen, there is node for convergence. If the unit is high and the value is low, that means the equation is going to be divided. Okay. If the unit is low and value is high, that means equation is multiply. So this is the rules actually. And thumb rule, we have to look for this thumb rule. Thumb rule can be only based on the previous experience. If you have the previous experience and you worked as a HPAC engineer at some years, okay, so you got some experience. As per your experience, with reference to your experience, you can use the thumb rule. Okay, and it is applicable only for residential and commercial projects. Okay, so industrial project it is not applicable. So 1 ton will cover 100 square feet of area. Okay, for the room exposed to or more than two wall. Okay, if the room exposed to if the room exposed two wall or more than two wall, so we have to, so 1 ton of AC will cover 100 square feet of area only. For example, I will show you here example. Okay, for example, this is one room. Okay, so this is room. Okay, this is room. For example, here is the sunlight. Okay, this is sun. Okay, and then this wall is, and this is wall, outside wall. So this is outside wall. These all are outside wall. Okay, this is outside wall, exposed wall we can say. So here all the four wall is exposed. Okay, so here this the room exposed two or more than two wall, so we can use 1 ton AC of 100 square meters. So for example, this 10 feet by 10 feet. Okay, 10 feet by 10 feet room size. Okay, so area of this room is equal to 100 square feet. 100 square feet. Okay, so if you want to calculate the tonnage, so just divide and divide by 100. So tonnage is equal to TR is equal to 100 square feet is the area, and 100 square feet we have to cover. So if you cut this, solve this, we will get it 1 ton. Okay. So because why I'm taking 100, because all the wall is exposed. So I will look for this another example in this next next year, next point. Okay, so 1 ton will cover 130 square feet of area when the room expose one or less than one surface. outside surface. One exposure or less than one exposure. So in this case, we have to cover 130 square feet in 1 ton. For example, this is your room, okay? So here is one room and here is another room. Okay, and here is one more room and here is also one more room. So exposure is only one here. Okay, so in this case, we have to cover 130 square feet of area for 1 ton. So we will see one example here. One example is given. A supermarket measure area is 2000 square feet. So there is one supermarket. For example, this is your supermarket. Okay, and the area of this market is given here, 2000 square feet. 2000 square feet. And three side is exposed, so find the tonnage using thumb rule. So the exposure is three side. For example, this is exposed wall, okay, and this is exposed wall, this is also exposed wall. So what will be the tonnage using thumb rule? So tonnage is equal to, so in this case we have to divide the area, total area, with 2000 square feet and divided by 100. Cut this to 0 and we will get it here 20. So 20 tr. Okay, because more than one wall is exposed. So in this equation you can found it here. So for more than two exposed wall, 100 square feet of area will cover 1 ton. So therefore you can see this I already solved here. 10 is tr is equal to 2000 by 100. So yeah, I will get it here 20 ton. Temperature. Temperature is measure of thermal activity or intensity in a body. Or in other word, we can say that it is the degree of hotness or coldness of a given system. The activity depends on the movement of molecules. Okay, so temperature scale. So temperature scale, I hope we will see in the next video. So please keep watching my video because I will continue. I will continue the this theory topic in next tutorials. So I hope you guys learn how to calculate the tonnage using thumb rule. So for residential and commercial project, you can use, for the small project you can use the thumb rule. So I hope you guys learn something from this video. So if you learn something from this video, so please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well. Also please like and share my video. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.